Hey, James here. I just received in the mail. I just opened this and I thought I should videotape this first. I just received a Glock 44 from Wolverine Supplies. I also got a Scorpion level 1 belt holster. I've got a couple other Scorpion from Fab Defense holsters, and I don't seem to mind them, so I'll continue using them for now. But I went with a level 1 this time. What else are we getting here? Traditional Wolverine fashion, you get a Wolverine t-shirt with most orders over a certain amount. I don't mind these shirts, they're comfortable. What else do we got here? Hopefully the Glock. There we go. Nothing else in there. We'll set that down and we'll pop this. And there is the new Glock 44 in .22 caliber, and it's clear at the moment. Comes with 2 magazines with the pull down tabs, which is awesome on the new magazines now. Wish they came up with that years ago. I'm sure many of you, just like myself, a day at the range, your hands are pretty sore from forcing them 45 ACPs and 9 mils and 40s and everything else into these magazines all day. So again, I said it's clear. The gun is extremely light. Trigger pull, mag release. That was a little stick. Oh, my hand was in the way. Other mag. There we go. I thought I seen. What else do we got here? The back straps and the lock and instructions, manuals, cleaning, a sticker. We got a Glock manual. Shows how to take it apart a little, take the slide off the barrel. Color. Don't normally get a color book with my Glocks. Okay. And it comes with the assortment of back straps. Just have to pop one in there and decide whether you want the, there we go, decide whether you want the tail on there or not. Pretty easy to adjust those. They generally pop off, not too difficult. I find a screwdriver sometimes helps. Yeah. Well, we got a screwdriver right here. Why are we fighting this? Here's a little knife. Take that. Just gotta pop that. There we go. The back strap comes off nice and easy. Got the different assortment ones. Just find which one suits your fancy. And the gun is still clear. And there you go. The new it's been up for a few months. I just finally got around to grabbing one. But the Glock 44 and .22 cal, this should cut down the costs a little bit in practicing and having fun. Although reloading helps a lot too. There you go. The Glock 44. I'll get you in there a little closer. It is light. This gun is really light. I like that. Thank you. Have a good day.